secretly, I'm realizing how much money this is gonna cost. She's cooked right up, son. Dude, nice battery hold down, dude, nice. Look, they didn't even care to put it back in. Look at this. Dude, nice, dude. As Vice Grip Garage would say. All that I can smell is barbecue. I wish you could smell it. It smells like fucking barbecue. Really bad barbecue. Nice. People are gonna be like, wow, this guy really knows what the fuck he's doing. Like, no, I don't. I do. This is how they designed, this was a specific design for this. They did it like this. So that way when you're working on it, you're like, I fucking hate this. This shit sucks. Woo!
I want to like shovel this out. I don't think it's a good idea to like vacuum all this up.
You need a shovel to shovel this out?
Yeah. Here. It came with its own scraper for the roof.
He actually found you a scraper.
What?
Tyler.
It was in the car already.
It was in the car.
Dude,
already.
it was like it was made for
That's
it.
what I said.
Oh my. Thank you. Anybody want a mint pair of jumper cables? I don't like want to stick my hand in there, but dude, she's still full. Look, the fire extinguisher would have worked. Talk about an omen.
Good thing it was somewhere accessible.
Good thing it was accessible. Really saved the car.
There you go.
Oh yeah, dude. Let me see.
Just for, you know. Looks pretty old.
Sterling Road, Watchung, New Jersey. So look, it's like literally, it's restoring before our eyes. Watch the paint. There is like no evidence of previous repair to this car, and that means that somebody did a really nice job. Man, I almost feel sorry for you doing this job.
It's alright, man.
Dude, I would just get the vacuum in there and just suck it up.
I want to get like the bulk of it off, because some of this is like stuck.
What stretches would that be?
Dude, I don't know. This thing has been nothing but a gift. Now, a lot of this,
Damn. It's raining.
dude, look at it. Look, the paint is mint under here. That's a carpet. That's another piece of carpet. Or was there carpet in here?
Let's leak a little oil.
Who is?
Got a little oil leak.
Yeah, that's okay. Oil's good for the When has there ever been like a natural disaster where it involved oil? Never. Right, it's peeling right off. Look at this. It's like Lightning McQueen when he was driving to the woods, dude. Nature Chevrolet designed this motor. They're like, you know what? We never want to have a driveway that doesn't have oil in it. So they designed the small block Chevy. Secretly, I'm realizing how much money this is gonna cost. That's okay. You guys are the only people that know it. That's all.
All right, you ready for the water?
Oh, I'm fucking ready. I was born ready. Dude, you're gonna have to bleep me out when it's done. Dad, I want to see what's in there.
There's a drain on the bottom.
What?
Is that a drain?
Maybe.
The detailing towel right there.
All right. Coming out. Yeah. That shit ain't coming out. Oh my God, it's coming out. Detailing World, New Jersey. Come on down, 355C if you have a Burn 67 Corvette.
No.
Look it up.
Cover everything else.
Should I try and move it?
Think it drives?
Yeah, it drives. It starts and runs.
It totally drives.
Totally drives.
Totally drives.
Totally drives. Roll the windows.
Like a spray on.
Oh yeah, whatever. I don't. You're the boss.
That's clean slate?
Yeah.
Let's see what it does.
Oh, dude, this is wild. Dude, look at that. That's fucking crazy. Oh, okay, big fireman guy.
No, I'm
okay, big, oh yeah, we got a big 10-4 ladder 49. Here we go. Fucking, oh yeah, we got. O'Shea told me, you know, one time.
back in 80. Iron fallout cleaner. Basically any contamination on the paint that's embedded in it, it'll help lift it out, as well as like iron contamination in it. It'll help lift that out as well.
Don't want to scratch the paint. Yeah, don't. Thanks, Larry. Larry, if you're watching this, I used a lot of your products, and they're probably not useful anymore. So.
No, this is not. I just wanted to say.
See, Tyler's a bro, dude. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. Just filled with, you know, grit and corrosion, and just see out the windshield now. Dude, do we have a can of gas here?
Montreal has one. Your boy has one.
there's some scungies on here. That's for sure. That's okay. All you need is a little peephole. That's all you need is a little peephole. Just gotta be able to see the cars coming at you diagonally, because then you're getting T-boned. This thing doesn't need a 1, 2, or a 3-step. This thing needs a 5-year plan.
It doesn't look great, but it's there.
Better. Actually, the paint is all right over here. In just that corner right here. Just this little corner here. Shit's mint. Anything beyond that, not mint. But from here to here, it's mint. I'm okay with that. That's all she needs. A little bit of love. Maybe a new windshield. Back glass. It's something. Yeah, that glass is correct. It's coming right up. So this thing's minty, dude. This thing's fucking minty.
Yeah. Okay.
Dude, you wait. Wait till you see how I get this thing all fucking fixed right up. You guys are gonna be like, can I go for a ride, bro? Can I drive it?
That's what we laugh because he placed that bet with you.
Yeah, that's true. Got a $1,000 bet riding on this.
No, you touched it?
Yeah, I put my hand in it.
Well, I'm assuming they put the fire out.
No, it's still burning.
It's so gone.
No, but I'm saying when they
Did they put the fire out? No. Thanks for tuning in. Seeing this thing not clean up as much as we thought it was going to. And make Jake realize that he's got a lot of work on his hands. What should we say? Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm a little disappointed. I thought it would come up a little bit more. But unbelievable product, as you can see. Most of the paint came up really, really nice. It's gonna need a lot of body work, especially on this side. She's gotten a little crispy. But we knew that from the get-go. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.